Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Ridgeline RT in silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, electronic stability control, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Bluetooth hands-free link, split folding rear seats, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINOSCJD.com, stock number D6531.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.